get fear in maths, you have to find the path to overcome fear in maths. You will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths Class. Now, today's topic is divisibility test. This is very important topic. This is in standard class 4, 5, 6 also. But I think this is very important for mathematics. All the students who carries the mathematics, please you just follow this divisibility test. This is very important for all. Which students carry the mathematics in the future? Please you just look this one. Okay. Now let's start today's topic, divisibility test. First I just discuss divisible by 2 and then I discuss divisible by 3. In this session, in this class, I will discuss divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Up to 11. 2 to 11. How the number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. Without division, you just follow these patterns and you say that the number is divisible by 2, divisible by 3 and any number. Okay, just I start divisible by 2. If the last digit of a number is even or 0, then the number is divisible by, divisible by 2. That means if the any number, I just give an example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. This is 12,34,560. Just you look the number and you say the number is divisible by 2 or not. Just you look, here is 0. I already said if the last digit, this is the last digit of a number is divisible by 2 when the last digit is even number or 0. Even number is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 also. That 0, then the number must divisible by 2. Without division, you just see and say the number is divisible by 2. And I given another example, 1, 5, 7, 8, 3, 4. This number also be, because the last digit is even number. Which is even number? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 also. That's why then the last digit is 4. Then the total number is divisible by 2 also. And I take another number 3 and 5. Is this number is divisible by 2? No. Why? The last digit of this number is not even. The even is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 also. Then this is 5. That's why the number is not divisible by 2. These two number is divisible by 2. This is the easiest process to understand the number is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, now I discuss the number is divisible by 3. Just I take a number. First of all, I just write the process. Now write the addition of the digit, the addition of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 3. What is the meaning of this sentence? Then I just give an example to clear all. Just I take a number Yes, I randomly take a number, chosen a number. Just you do the addition of the digits. The number is 1,23,957. You just add the digits. This each is digits. Okay. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 6 digit number. Just you add the 6 digits. Just you add. Then I already said the addition of the digits of the number. Then you add 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 7, 27. The addition of the digit is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Then this is, the 27 is divisible by 3. Yes, 3 nines are 27. Then you must say this number is divisible by 3 without doing the division. Without doing the division, you just say this number is divisible by 3 also, because the addition of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. This is the divisibility test by 2 and 3 also. Now I discuss, before you go into the next part of the video, just you pause it down and then you go to the and write it in your copy, then you go to the next part of the video. Next part I will discuss about 4 and 5 also. Now I discuss about the divisible by 4, 5 and 6 also. Okay. Now I just discussed now divisible by 4, which is the last. All the students please write the last 2 digits. The last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Then the or 00 or last 2 digit be 0 or last 2 digits be 0. Then the number is divisible by 4. Okay, what is the meaning of this? The last 2 digits of the number is divisible by 4 and the last 2 digits is 0. Then the number is divisible by 4. What is this? I just take a number 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2. Okay, and I just take another number 2500. This just to observe last 2 digits. I already said if the last 2 digits be 0, then the number is divisible by 4. There nothing can you do. Just to observe the last 2 digits 0, then you say the number is divisible by 4 also. Okay, without division. This is divisible by 4. Is it clear? And just you look. 32. 32 is divisible by 4 also. Last 2 digits. Yes. 8. 4 is a 32. Then you say the number is must divisible by 4. Okay, clear? Now I discuss divisible by 5. If the last digit is 5 or 0. If the last digit is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. If the last digit is 5 or 0, just take an example 1, 5, 2, 3, 5. This is last digit is 5, the number is divisible by 5. Nothing can you do, just observe and say the number is divisible by 5 also. And the last digit is 0, then also the number divisible by 5. Okay, if the number is 7, this is last digit is not 5, not 0, that's why the number is not divisible by 5 also. These are divisible by 5. Now I discuss about the divisible by 6. What is the divisible by number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Just to look, the number is divisible by 2 and say 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Because 2 3s are 6, that's why you know the divisible by 2, which is the process, the last digit is given, and you know also the which is the process divisible by 3. If the addition of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Then the number is divisible by 6 also. 6 also. Now I take an example. Just try and take an example. 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 1 and 4 and 0 and 5. I take an example here. I just take a number randomly. Okay, this is which number? 12 crore 30,000, 12 crore 30 lakh 51,405. The number, sorry, not 405, 504. This is 504. I take an example because the last digit must be even. The number is divisible by 6. That's why I take an example. Last digit must be even. Now I just say the last digit is 4. This is even number. That's why the number is divisible by 2 also. Now I take just to do the addition. I just do the addition here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 0 you can't write. 5 plus 5 plus 4. Here also 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9, what is this? This is 21. Yes, 21 is divisible by 3 also. 21 is divisible by 3 also. Therefore, you just say the number is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by also 2, then the number is divisible by also 6. Okay. Now, go to the next part of the video. You just pause it and write in your class of copy. Write your any copy also. Then I discuss about divisible by 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now I discuss about the divisible by 7 and divisible by 8 in this board also. Okay, and now divisible by 7. The divisible by 7 is if you now write last digits, if the last digits is double and subtract from double and subtract from remaining digit, then the answer is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7 also. What is the meaning of this writing? If the last digit is double and subtract the result from the remaining digits, then the answer is divisible by 7. Then the number is also divisible by 7. What is this? I take an example. Just take an example 343. Okay. Just easy example I just take. Now the last digit you can do the double. What is this? 3 2s are 6. Now Now I just subtract 6 from the remaining digits. Subtract 6 is what? This is 28, na? Yes. 28 is divisible by 7. Then you say this number is divisible by 7. Now I take another example. 1, 2, 4, 6 also. Just you observe the last digit. Then you do the double. What is this? 12. Then you just subtract the remaining digits. This result. Then the answer is become 2, 1, 1. And 1, 1, 2 is divisible by 7. Just you do the division. 7 1 is 7. And then 7 4. Yes. 16. Yes. 16 sevens are 112. 112. Then you say the number is divisible by 7. Is it clear? The 7 divisible by 7 is very rare. You can find. Just that's why I repeat again. If the last digit you can do double, then you subtract this answer from the remaining numbers. Okay, this number is divisible by 7. Then you say the given number is divisible by 7 also. Just I take an example. You just pause the video and write it in your book or your remember. Okay. Now divisible by 8. Okay. Just to write. If the last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or last 3 digits become 0, then the number is divisible by 8. Then the number is divisible by 8 also. Now I take example. This one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 0, 4, 8. Here an example. And 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 0, and 0. Okay. Then you just observe the last 3 digits. If the last 3 digit is divisible by 8 and the last 3 digits is become 0, just to observe and say that the number is divisible by 8. Nothing can do the division also. And last 3 digit is what? 0, just you remove, and 48. 48 is divisible by 8. Yes. Then you say the number is divisible by 8 also. Now I take another example. 5, 6, 3, 8 and this one. I take this one also just to observe the last 3 digits. Just to observe last 3 digits. This is 856. You just do the division. 8 ones are 8. 5 comes. Don't give. And here also. Then you say the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. Then you say the total number is divisible by 8 also. And 0 you say, last 3 digits 0 you say, the number is divisible by 8 also. Okay. Now go to the next part of the video. Next part I discuss about 9, 10 and 11. Then you just write down and go to the next part. Okay. Now I discuss about the divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 is as same as 3. That's why I don't write the process. I just discuss and you just write. If the addition of the digit is divisible by 9, then the number is also divisible by 9. Okay. Just I discuss, I take an example. 9, 4, 5, 3, 6, 9, 0. I just take an example here. This is 94,53,690. Just you do the addition. The addition is divisible by, here also, just you do the addition. Okay. 3, 6, 9 and 0 you can do. Okay, and this is 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 18 plus 9 is again 9, 9, 18, 18, 18, 36. Yes, 36 is divisible by 9. Yes, 36 is divisible by 9. Then you also say the big number is without division, the big number is divisible by 9. If the addition of the same as 3, if the addition of the digits is divisible by 9, then the number also be divisible by 9. This is as same as 3. That's why I don't elaborate it. Okay. Now divisible by 10. Divisible by 10 is what? This is very easy. The last digit. Last digit is 0. Then the number is divisible by 10. If the last digit is 0, then the number divisible by 10. Then nothing can be proved. Yeah, I take any number 7, 8, 0. Yes, last digit 0, divisible by 1, 5, 3, 2, 0. Last digit 0, then you say the number is divisible by 10. Okay. And now the last one, this is very important. This is divisible by 11. Okay. Now you write, just you do the addition of the alternate digits. Addition of the alternate digits of the number and do the subtraction. Then the answer is 0 or multiple of 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. What is this? What is this? Addition of the alternate digits of the number. Then you do the subtraction. Then the subtraction result is 0 or multiple of 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. What is this? Just I take a number. Here also I take a number. Okay. Just to do the addition of the alternate digits. Yes. This one. Add alternate. One skip another. 1 plus 3 and 3 plus 1. This is 4. This is 4. Then you just do the subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. The subtraction is 0. Then you say then the number is divisible by 11. Okay. Now I take the another example. This is, and you just do the alternate digits addition. Okay. Alternate digit addition what? 1 plus 3 and 7 plus 0. What is this? 7. This is also 7. And you just do the subtraction and this is become 0. Then you say the number also be divisible by 11. Just you do the addition of the alternate digits and then subtraction. The subtraction result is 0 or multiple of 11. Then you say the number is also divisible by 11. Now I have taken another example. Okay, now I have taken another example. This is 649. You just do the addition of the alternate digits, that is 6 and 9, this is 15, and just to subtraction, and 4 is remain here, nothing can you addition to, and 11. Yes, the result is 11. Then you say the number is divisible by 11, because I already said the answer is 0 or multiple of 11. Then you say the digit is already, the number is already divisible by 11 without doing the division. Now just you go to the next part and just to pause it down and write the whole thing. This is very important for your whole life. Without division addition, without doing division, just do this trick, do this tricky process, and you get the answer. The number is divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In your competitive exam, this process also help you. Okay, now that's all for today. If you like my video, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon to get the further notification. That's all.